What's up guys? I am here right now at Jubail Bay Fanatir. This is the boat yard here for this is a yacht club. Yeah, these are the boats behind me. There's the Jubail Bay Mall over there, but it's not yet fully operational. Only Panda store for groceries is open. Here you can rent a boat, 250 real per boat, maximum of 10 persons. You can use the boat just for 30 minutes, but it's not bad. If you're 10, you'll just be spending 25 real per person just for experience. But for me, I am free here because of that